This empty shed would soon become my dream studio. And I still can't believe I'm actually doing this, because a few months ago, this place looked completely different. But for the first time, I'm actually seeing a vision. But here's the thing, I actually thought that this place was a size of 19 by 9, but after carefully measuring it, it's actually 20 by 10. It's great news, because that tiny bit of extra space makes a huge difference when you're talking about lights, props, and photography setups. Now obviously, this isn't a huge warehouse space. It's still quite a small space. Realistically, I'll be having a maximum of 2 people in here at once. That's perfect for the type of photography I'm thinking of doing. I want to use this space for mummy and me shoots, kid photography, owner and pet photography, and cinematic portraits, and maybe creative storytelling style shoots as well. So over here, this is where I'm thinking where the main backdrop setup should go. Different colour backdrops here, like pink, yellow, beige, black and white. I never thought I'd say this. Excited to go to charity shops to look for cute little outfits for the sheets, even dress-up costumes. In this part, I'm still planning whether I should put a editing desk here or a themed area here. Let me know down in the comments what would be better. Imagine this. One month it could be Christmas themed, another month it could be Halloween themed, or another month it could be even Easter themed. I think that idea can make this space feel really unique and different. I genuinely think this space could turn into something really special, not just for photography, but for the whole channel. So if you want to follow this transformation from the beginning and watch the space turn into a real working studio, make sure you subscribe right now. Because this is only the planning stage, and next time you see this shed, it might look completely... Let's let the transformation begin.